The biggest one that we're going to start with is going to be the long-awaited PTS Mall. So this guy here, the final production is complete. The first batch is expected to land here in the United States by second quarter this year. Another product we're excited to bring out this year is going to be the Raider X chassis kit for the SIG P320s. These are going to be spec'd to work with your SIG ProForce, your VFC OEM'd, M17s, M18s. These guys here, obviously like you've seen in some of the other kits or in the real one, you'll have your standard single magazine release, and unlike some other kits that are already out there, our dual magazine release also will be functioning. So you do a hard far press, and both magazines will release. This one right now is early. This is a 3D printed prototype that we're still working on the kinks on, but the final production model will be our DuPont Zytel polymer, all the same durability you get out of our magazines, our grips. So it will be built to last, will be made to take a beating. The stock itself will be spring-loaded and will release on command as long as you hit your lever over here. It will have a functioning thumb safety that is going to be optional. It does not have to be installed, but it is out there for you. They come with a standard Picatinny mount. There are going to be two stocks that we have for it. There's going to be the pistol brace style stock that's here shown. We're also going to be doing a more full-size SBR stock. Another item we're going to have out this year that we're really excited for is going to be our Unpossible by Q Honeybadger series. These guys here right now are still in the early prototyping. We still have to make some changes to the finish, still work out some stuff in the inside. But the fun thing about these guys is they're based off of the Tokyo Marui NGRS system. So they'll be fully compatible with all of your NGRS or next-gen recoil shock parts and accessories. The only thing with these is to maximize battery space for the end user. There is no recoil buffer or recoil buffer spring. That is just to maximize your battery space, because if you look back here, battery space on these guys is very tight. But they will include two extensions, so you can fit all of your 7.4s, your 11.1s, all here in the back of the gun. These guys out of the box will be rated for 11.1s, which is what we're very excited for. We're finally able to bring kind of an update to the NGRS system to the market, something a little bit more heavy duty compared to your own factory TMs, a little bit more budget friendly. And we don't have a sample here at the show this year, but we will be releasing these with the Trash Panda suppressors by Q that are meant for the Honeybadger guns. Here's another fun product we're excited for this year is going to be the Sandman X. This is going to be one of our latest that we're in prototyping right now from our Dead Air license. These ones right now, they're going to be released with our standard Chemo base that'll be compatible with all of your Dead Air Chemo flash hiders and muzzle brakes. These ones, like I said, they're still prototyping right now. We're still working some things out, but these are expected to release in a tracer and non-tracer variant. Another fun one we're excited for that's still in prototyping stages is going to be the Mojave 9. So as you can see, still just production sample right now, so all the nice CNC. These ones will be releasing as a direct thread version, but they will be compatible with our Key Micro base. The key difference between the Key Mo and Key Micro, we can hold them side by side, is the Key Micro is compatible with the micro muzzle brakes, the micro flash hiders, as well as your Chemos. So this is kind of one that will do it all versus the Chemo that is exclusively for the Chemo devices. Another fun one, we're continuing on using our Unity license. We're doing their Pro mount. So this one here is going to be the same kind of style, same series from Unity that you've seen us make before. This is going to be for your Pro Series aim point optics, kind of your 30 mil red dots. So if you have those Comp M2s, Comp M3s, this will be to get that extra added height for you. Still can keep you in sight or in line with the 30 mil magnifier mounts, the Omni mounts, if you wanted to run a red dot magnifier combo as well. These are expected to release in first quarter, so they should be out in the next few months. These guys are going to release in black and FDE. Another product from us that we actually just released a little bit ago are Killer Innovation slide kits for the P320s. These guys here is you get your CNC aluminum slide, barrel, compensator, thread protector, and RMR plate. Come with suppressor height sights that give you that added edge for your P320s. They're meant primarily for the M18s due to their shorter guide rod. If you do have an M17, you will have to source either an M18 guide rod or come up with some sort of modification. But like I said, these are already just recently released. These are on shelves now. Continuing on with our line of Scorpion Evo parts, we already released our magazines. We're now releasing, or getting ready to release, our PTS foregrips, pistol grips, PTS mag release, and then the Masada stocks. The grip and mag release are going to be releasing as a set. These are set to come out during second quarter of this year. Will be sold as a combo. They give you that extra kind of PTS texture that we're known for, the slightly more vertical grip angle, and a little more user-friendly magazine release. You'll have two options there down in the trigger guard, and then your traditional kind of HK MP5 style mag release. These are expected to come out soon, like I said, second quarter. Another fun item we're excited for this year that we'll be releasing here in the first quarter is going to be our PTS Legacy AK mags. This one right here I have in my hand is currently just the pre-production sample. The final one will be that nice traditional Bakelite color everybody's a fan of. These guys here are going to be 240 round mid-cap mags. Have a feed indicator to let you know when the magazines are empty. Currently in development, we don't have really a release date set for these yet. Like I said, we're still working on them, still trying to get stuff rolling. But these are going to be the Radian licensed ramjet barrel and compensator set meant for your Elite Force Gen 5 Glock 19 and Elite Force Gen 5 Glock 17. Like I said, we don't really have a release date set for these anytime soon. We're still kind of working things out.